Students, today we are going to start probability. We'll discuss some related with the months and years. For example, if any question is asked to you, okay, find probability of getting 5 Monday in January. So what you have to do, just check it out. We are talking about which month. Here we are talking about the January month. Now you know very well that January have 31 days. After finding out month, whatever days that month have, divided by 7. So you might be thinking ki how I have written this 7, because nowhere about the 7 is mentioned in the question. We know very well ki every week have 7 different type of days, है ना? That's why any sum related with the year or month is there, then you have to divide it with 7, because if you talk about the year or if you talk about the week, only 7 type of days we are having, that is from Sunday to Saturday. That's why we have to divide it by 7. Once again, first of all find out month, and whatever days the month have, divide it by 7. 7 4s are 28, the remainder is 3. Now how will I write probability? So suppose the probability of this event is A. So probability of this event will be whatever remainder you have, that will be written in numerator, and denominator will be always 7. Okay, denominator always will be 7. Clear? Once again, remainder will be written in the numerator and denominator will be 7. Let me explain the meaning. See, what is the meaning of probability 3 by 7? So in January, we want probability of getting 5 Monday in the month of January. Okay, so this thing indicate that out of 7 days, any 3 days can be come for 5 times in the January month. सिर्फ मंडे ही नहीं, पूरे जनवरी मंथ में कोई भी 3 दिन 5 टाइम्स आते हैं. अगर आपके घर पे कैलेंडर पड़ा हो तो आप चेक करके देख लो, कोई भी सिर्फ 3 डेज 5 टाइम आएंगे. वो 3 डेज में 3 डेज कुछ भी हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन में ज़रूरी नहीं कि मंडे में यहाँ पर ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे कुछ भी लिखो, आंसर यही रहेगा 3 by 7. Let us take one more example. Like what is probability of getting 5 Wednesday in December? Same method. Find out December have how many months? Sorry, how many days? 31. 7 4s are 28. Remainder 3. Probability. So remainder will be numerator. Denominator always will be 7. See, method will remain same, it will not get changed. Let us take one more example. Find probability of getting 5 Tuesday in the month of November. So first of all tell me November have how many months, sorry how many days? Check it out. Actually November have 30 days. Divide by 7. 7 4s are 28 2. So probability, the remainder will be in numerator and denominator will be 7. So probability of getting 5 Tuesday in the month of November is 2 by 7. What does it mean? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि पूरे नवंबर मंथ में कोई भी 2 डेज 5 टाइम आ सकते हैं, 2 डेज से ज़्यादा नहीं, इवन ट्यूसडे भी, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, so in this way you can solve. So let us take one more example. Find the probability of getting 5 Monday in February 2020. So check it out. We are talking about which month? We are talking about February. But February can have 28 days or 29 days. So if it is leap year, then it will have 29 days. If it's not leap year, it will have 28 days. So just to get idea whether it is leap year or not, you should have year. So here we have year 2020. So if last 2 digit is divisible by 20, sorry divisible by 4, then it will be leap year. देखो 20 4 से डिविजिबल है, हाँ 20 4 के टेबल में आता है, तो मतलब ये 2020 लीप ईयर है। इन लीप ईयर February हैव 29 days, तो विल डिवाइड 29 by 7. Always divisor will be 7. 7 4s are 28. 1. So probability of this event, this remainder will be in numerator and denominator always will be 7. So that means in February only one day can come 5 times. एक ही दिन 5 टाइम आ सकता है, okay? So let us take one more example of same type, like find again, find the probability of getting 5 Tuesday in the February 2021. Again check it out whether 2021 is a leap year or not, okay? Okay. Okay, so check it out. 21 is divisible by 4, यानी 4 के टेबल में 21 आता है, नहीं आता, उसका मतलब ये लीप ईयर नहीं है, नॉन लीप ईयर। नॉन लीप ईयर है हाउ मेनी डेज? 28 डेज। 28 डिवाइड बाई 7, 7 4s are 28 0. So the remainder will come in numerator, denominator will be 7 0. So what does it mean? It means कि इन February 2021 नो डेज कैन कम फॉर 5 टाइम्स, यानी February 2021 में जो भी नॉन लीप ईयर होता है उसमें February मंथ में कोई भी दिन 5 टाइम नहीं आ सकता। ओके, सो लेट्स एंड दिस लेक्चर ओवर हियर। बाय, हैव अ नाइस एंड सेफ डे।